Drivers, let's have a good race. Next, he needed his first turn. Drivers ready. Quarter marshals ready. We're going racing on the sound of the tone.
What are you doing, man?
Nice and easy, guys.
Get out, baby. No, he's not going to. Come on, Mary.
More cut. Next time, buy a Ford car, please, in the box. Purple and yellow. Our leader right now coming through the 180.
Somebody's going to hit.
Thank you. Go.
I got two bets going.
Our leader right now coming down the straightaway. It's the silver and orange from England, Greg Drescher. Driving a 1 car. Second is going to be Mike Blackstock, followed by David Judd. And it's going to be the 6 car, followed by 7 and 8. It's an easy 8. Our leader coming down. Whoa, Drescher a little sideways down the straightaway. Pitches in and the sweeper. Mike and Dave rolls in. Thank you, 8. Through the S's they go. It is Craig, Mike, Dave, followed by Jonas, Trish, Tony, Barry, and Mike.
Get there. Come on, Blackstock.
Saved by Jonas down the straightaway. It is the one and only Craig Drescher from England. Second is Mike Blackstock into 2. David Judd into 5. Jonas Corrupt into 6. We got a race here. Barry trying to go to the inside. Oh, good setup there. Good pass from Barry. Oh, Barry gets it loose right in front of Tony. He's got the inside line. Door to door. Side by side. Go, Tony.
Dave was really close.
Out front, it is Drescher, followed by Blackstock and Judd. Greg Drescher driving a 1, Blackstock and John. Jonas Trump about a straightaway behind him, guys, as our leaders coming in the S section.
Dude, this is going to roll over. So what? The kink's going to roll over.
Blackstock now rolls it up a little bit on Craig Drescher. Blackstock from Michigan. Both these drivers running new TC4s, the 1 and the 2. David Judd into 2 and number 5. Jonas Corrupt driving the 6 car. TC4. Down the straightaway they go. Craig, Mike, and Dave. Dave using all of the racetrack coming out of the straightaway. It is 1-2-5 0 to 1-2-5. You know, back that battle continues between Granger, Baker, and Reinhardt. Back out front, Blackstock now right there. Putting their pressure on. Line all the way up on the wall. Trying to get a run. Drescher holding the door shut. 1-2-5, the front runners in the S as they go. Blackstock right there, waiting for an opportunity. Oh, man. Good marshalling from David, thank you. David right to moves up to the 2 spot. Big break for Drescher. Down the straightaway now, full straightaway lead. That continues down the short two between Baker, Granger, and Reinhardt down the straightaway. Still out front is Craig Drescher, and then orange and silver number 6 down the straightaway. Check that 7. Second is the 5 and the 2 of Judd and Blackstock. Followed by the 6 of Jonas Corrupt. Back to the straightaway they go. It's Baker leading Granger and Reinhardt down the straightaway. Right here got clean sailing in front of him. John trying to hold off Blackstock. The chicane they go. It's Granger and Reinhardt battling as Barry puts a little distance between them in that battle. Barry trying to reel in Jonas about 2 straightaways back. Out front it is still Craig Drescher down the straightaway as Blackstock now putting the pressure on with 1:13 now to go. It's Blackstock on the back door. John through the kink they go. Standing on the brakes at the short shoot. Our leader still Drescher. Clean sailing a straightaway lead on John and Blackstock. 1 minute to go. 1 to go. It is 1-5-2 right now. 1-5-2. 1-5-2 is the front runners. Granger and Reinhardt continue to do battle, trying to reel Barry back in. Back to the front. It is that orange and silver number 1 from England, Craig Drescher. Into the S as he goes. Second spot, John holding off Blackstock. Like Blackstock not running a lot of rubber tar asphalt. Over the last year, a little bit before Worlds, ran the Worlds. He's usually running on carpet. Well, Reinhardt pushes wide. He close up on Barry. We have 20 seconds to go, 20 to go. Two battles on the track for second between Judd and Blackstock, and a three-way battle coming down the straightaway. Barry, Chris Granger, and Tony Reinhardt. An hour later, a straightaway lead. Blackstock now closing up. 5 seconds to go. Couple hot battles on the track. The battle for second is Judd and Blackstock. Into the kick they go. Here's Barry, Granger, and Reinhardt down the straightaway. Granger trying to motor by. It's Drescher coming down. Blackstock trying to get a run. Not going to do it. Winning invite number 2 is going to go to Craig Drescher.
I got it.
I got Paul Wynn.
I got myself. Oh, screw that.
Second spot's going to go to David Judd. Third spot. Barry Baker, Chris Granger, Tony Reinhardt, and Mike Blackstock.